and honored us with the message of Islam.
A very warm welcome to you on behalf of Alif School of Dual Education. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected Chairman, Trustee, Principal, Vice Principal, beloved teachers, honored parents, and my dear brothers and sisters. We welcome you to our annual gathering themed Nurturing Faith, Illuminating Hearts. This beautiful morning, we will celebrate the brilliance of knowledge and the purity of faith that guide us, enlighten our minds, and illuminate our lives. I am Afsha Abdul Ghafoor from 7A, and alongside me is Master Muhammad Zakaria from 5A.
We are thrilled to guide you through a mesmerizing event filled with inspiration, joy, and the brilliance of our students.
A heart without the remembrance of its creator is like a house in total darkness. To light up our hearts in this beautiful morning, we begin with the most powerful words known to mankind.
To nurture a heart, one must first feed it with the words of its creator. To illuminate a soul, one must first connect it to the source of all light.
Therefore, we begin our program with the most sacred of all sounds. We invite Master Qasim Muhammad Saleh from grade 2 for the Qira'at.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wadduha wal-layli idha saja ma wadda'aka rabbuka wa ma qala walal-akhiratu khairul laka minal ula walasawfa yu'tika rabbuka fatarda alam yajidka yatiman fa'awa wa wajadaka dhallan fahada wa wajadaka ailan fa'aghna fa'ammal yatima fala taqhar wa ammas sa'ila fala tanhar wa amma bi ni'mati rabbika fahaddith. Sadaqallahul aliyyul azim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.